my name is Favor. Welcome to my channel. It's our Fenwick life. For now, we are in the middle of a name change. That announcement will be coming up soon. It's been delayed, but we're in progress. We had a family situation arrive with my husband's mother, and that has prevented us from really getting things done like we want to get done. But we're working on it. We're moving forward, so we thank you for your patience. Okay, so today we are here for the Wanderlust Box. This is by bikini.com, and I am not prepared. I forgot to look up how much this box is. I will leave it down here, and I will also link it in the comments. No, not the comments, in the description box. That way you can go if you are interested in taking out this box for a subscription service. This is one of the ones I am canceling for this year. It is a little pricey. I think it was around the $350 mark. There are coupon codes out there, so do be aware of that. But I am canceling it only because it's just a little expensive. I subscribed to several boxes last year and said that I would only be keeping one. I've actually decided to keep two, and this one didn't make the cut. It is RocksBox and FABFITFUN. Those are the two that I'll be keeping. So I just love RocksBox too. So, all right, so let's get into this. I love this box too. It's always full of interesting things. It never disappoints. And honestly, there's a lot of bang for your buck in this one. So it may be a little more expensive, but most time, in fact, every time, I think I receive something in here well over the value. So I can't complain about that. All right, so let's see. It's always, oh, Tulum. Oh, that's gonna be exciting. Mexico. Dear Wondrous, welcome to the Wanderlust Tulum box filled with blissful beauty and natural wonders. We hope your adventurous heart enjoys everything we have chosen to share with you. Always remember that the world is yours to explore. XOXOBikini.com. Here's the book. Seriously, I am so excited about this. If you've never been to Tulum, it's a Mayan ruin in Mexico. It's gorgeous. Tulum, nestled off the shores of the Caribbean Sea, is where the most intrepid of travelers can find both adventure, beauty, and luxury, all in equal measure. There we go. Okay, so there we go. One more time. Now let's get into this and see what's in here. They used to wrap everything individually. They have since stopped that, and I don't blame them. I would imagine that added to the cost of everything, and the extra packaging wasn't necessary, so I appreciate that. All right, so there is 15% off site-wide by using the code WANDERING15, there you go, at bikini.com. So that doesn't have anything to do with the subscription service. They sell items. So ooh, interesting. All right, look at this. Now, I've actually had one of these before. These are great for travel, honestly. Okay, so what this is called the anti-bottle. Stands, folds, freezes, all of those things. It is a water bottle, a reusable water bottle, and you can fill it with water, you can freeze it. It packs flat, so if you want to put it in your suitcase, say for somebody like me who travels a lot, who goes into cruise ports and things and maybe wants to bring some water with them, this is great to have. And if you're going to Tulum, you're gonna need some water. It's hot. This is actually fantastic. Let's see how much this is. I have picked them up before. I've gotten one at Walmart, actually. Let's see, where's the little, I'm trying not to get spoilers. Oh, there's so many things I'm seeing, I don't want to see them. All right, so. All right, the Vapor, V-A-P-U-R by @Vapor, wide mouth anti-bottle, $11.99. Excellent, yeah, that's about what I spent on mine. So, and it has a hook, you can hook it to your belt. These are great. They're great, they're great, they're great. So I encourage it. Also, when we bike ride, we bring these because you can just hang them off your belt loop and there's nothing to add to your bike. They're great. Excellent item to send to people. No matter what you do, they're useful to have. So there you go. All right, so we have some paperwork in here. Let's see, this is Hate Energy Drinks. We do too. Created Pep Pad, naturally good energy made for you. Oh, okay, Pep Pod. Sorry, I misread that. So there you go. Okay, we're gonna look into that. I've actually heard a little bit about those. And this is another item in the box, and this is another item in the box. Okay, so we'll get to all that. All right, so this is, where did I put the, I am all over the place today, y'all. Oh my goodness. Yes, all right, this is Thomas James Law by Perverse. All right, there's sunglasses in here. I love sunglasses. If you watch me at all, you know I love sunglasses, and these don't disappoint. Let's see. Jazz up your look with these bold and cute sunnies. Partially handmade, no two are ever the same, which makes them uniquely beautiful. UV 400 and polarized. Excellent. All right. Now when I go into port, I do wear my contacts. So, ooh, these are nice. Oh, they feel very sturdy. Oh my goodness. Oh, I can't see the number. Hold on. Beautiful. I really like these. These will definitely get used and come into port with me. Currently my favorite brand is Diff sunglasses. I really like that brand. These are valued Big Mouth Clara is what these are called. Big Mouth Clara at $75. And honestly, I would scoff at that. But the reality is, if you want quality sunglasses, I'm finding you have to spend a little more. I typically wear my really cheap sunglasses into port so that I can break them, lose them, and not worry about it. And I only have a very few pair of expensive sunglasses, and this will go in with that. And in fact, I'm not buying any more sunglasses. I love the ones I have and don't feel the need to add any more. But when they're sent like this, I'm happy to have them. So that's great. I do pay for this box. Just I wanted to be clear about that. I do pay for this on my own. So there we go. They do not send this to me. They don't know who I am. I love those sunglasses. Excellent. All right, so let's see what this is. Fishing net bag. How interesting. So maybe you're traveling with snorkel gear, things like that, things that get wet, then you want to like have them kind of drip dry as you're walking around. This is a great one. This is by Slippa, S-L-I-P-P-A, the perfect flexible multi-use bag for all your needs, groceries, laundry, and even the beach. Yeah, groceries for sure, yeah. Cotton, organic cotton is strong yet flexible and packs down to a small 4 by 1 by 1 inches. Wash, delicate, hand dry. Excellent. It does $12. Perfect. This is great. I'll definitely bring this with me on a cruise because your snorkel gear after a cruise, it gets so nasty and it's all sandy and dirty. This is great. Your beach shoes, yes. And if you don't travel like that, if you don't, groceries, excellent, among other things. I think that's excellent. Wow. Maybe I shouldn't cancel this one. See? It's so hard. Okay, what's next? Let's see. Oh, this is a card. Get $10 off your next purchase at Slippa. Oh, use code SLIPPA10, S-L-I-P-P-A 10. There you go. Okay. Oh, these are so cute. Metallic tie hair bracelet, the original elastic beach bracelet. There you go, just little, you know, one of my friends on, when we went on our last cruise, she gave me one that had a little anchor hanging off of it, and I now wear it on the cruise ships. It's so cute. There you go. Don't mind my nails. They're a mess. This is Skin Feelings. That's the company, metallic tie, $6 value. Super cute. They're super, super cute. Yep. Okay. What is this? Ooh. Oh, I like this. Let's see. I think I know what this is. Yeah. There we go. Oh, lots of information in here. All right, there's a coupon code. I'll give you that in just a minute. All right, so this is a little wallet, a little card holder. Oh, how cute. Just a little mini card holder, holds 5 cards, it says, and then opens here in the middle. You can put your cash in there. This is excellent. This is an $18 value. I've seen them run around that much. That's not too bad. This is by Pixie Mood, one of the most useful travel accessories that you can own as a multi-card holder. Cork and faux leather card holder, 4x3. Holds 5 cards in your ID, and it fits almost anywhere. Very true. So there you go. $18 by Pixie Mood. Excellent. The coupon code is PMXWander for 15% off, and it expires at the end of this month. PixieMood.com. And here's the paperwork for it. It's PETA approved and vegan. Nice. Okay, yeah. I'm down for this. I love that. I will definitely give that some use. For sure. All right. Ooh, something in here. Whoops. Wrapped delicately and pretty. Let's open this and see what's in here. Ooh, oh, it's a little extra. Oh, bunch of little things in here. All right, so this is a birthday suit. I've received one of these before. It's eye gels for under your gel, reduce puffiness and all that stuff. These are under eye gels. Diamonds are a girl's best friend. Go-to eye gel before a big night out. Keep your skin shining bright like a diamond. It contains glycerin, gamma, poly, and a bunch of words. Hyaluronic acid. $3 value by Birthday Suit. Excellent. No, totally fine with that. Always use those. This is, well, I don't see this on here, so let's see what this is. So Cool Drinkware. Drink with style and keep your drinks cold. Oh, it's a koozie. It's a little koozie right there. There you go. All right, it's by So Cool Drinkware. And here are the nutrient-rich energy pep pods. Vitamins, electrolytes, amino acids, and over 75 plant-derived trace minerals, sweetened with stevia leaf extract. Excellent. I'll have to read all the ingredients in here, but I will definitely. So maybe this is like an electrolyte replacement. You know, I would just, yeah, electrolyte replacement. I got to tell you, I have been so dehydrated lately. I'm happy to have these, and will definitely be giving them a try after I do a little research. I don't drink anything like this without researching first, just to be sure. You know, you never know. Not that there's anything wrong with those. I've seen those all over the place. So it says they're $13.99 value by Pet Pod, a healthy and natural electrolyte energy tablets. See, I don't like energy. Each pod gives you the energy you need the way your body was meant to receive it without the crash. Whether you're tackling a marathon, cramming for a midterm, fighting jet lag, or just recovering from the night out, Pet Pod is deeply hydrating energy source, immunity booster, and one-stop vitamin supplement. So again, I'm gonna have to really read about it. I don't like anything that raises my heart rate, anything, I don't like that. But I think those are, you know, caffeine based. I don't know. Like I said, I'm gonna do a little research, but I'm happy to have this. I have seen them and was curious about them, or am curious about them. So let me see if this is mentioned anywhere. This little, here it is, Raw Elements, made from certified all-natural ingredients. This water-resistant lip, oh nice, lip block provides UVA, UVB, true broad spectrum protection. $5.99 value, 30 plus SPF. Excellent. When you go into ports and things like that, you always want to have lip balm. The problem is they do wear off in the water. So you're constantly having to reapply to protect your lips. Believe me, I have burnt my lips before. It's no fun, especially in the salt water when the sun is reflecting. Oh, you should have so much sunblock. Excellent. I am super happy to have this. This is definitely going in my travel bag, and it will go in my little pouch that I wear when we're in the beach. Easy to reapply, but if it's water resistant, it should be just fine. Excellent. Man, this box is full of great things. Now I don't want to cancel. Oh, I just pulled the cover off this. All right, what are you? You are the #1 thing in here. Sindora oil. Oh, interesting. Prep, numb, and soothe skin before and after waxing any area. Apply a generous amount to area 15 to 20 minutes before waxing session. Massage in circular motion. Apply up to 3 times for maximum anesthetic effects. Wait 3 to 5 minutes between. Interesting. Sindora oil will be available at a discounted price of $55. Interesting. I don't wax anything. But I know women who do, and I will be happy to pass this along to them. How interesting. Maybe you could use it if you're sensitive, like on your eyebrows. If you're sensitive to that, maybe you could use it for that. I don't know, maybe not. Don't read it, because if it hurts your eyes, don't do it. So I don't know anything about that. So very interesting. Alrighty. Wow. All right, there's something else in here, but I don't see it. Oh, there's more. There's 2 something else's in here. All right, so this is Nora Pearson, a $9.99 value. This all-natural, this Sindora oil was $75, but it says it's going to be on sale for $55. Nora Pearson, this all-natural deodorant neutralizes odor and bacteria and uses a special blend of essential oils, tea tree, and neem oils to help keep you odor-free and smelling fantastic all day. Carefully formulated and handcrafted, aluminum-free. Scent may vary. I've actually really been looking for like a deodorant like this, and I am a runner, so I kind of really need something that works really well. So I'm kind of trying two. So I'm not really keen on investing a lot of money into it. I want to find some and read some reviews. So we'll go from there. But I'm glad to have this and happy to try it out. It says it's raspberry vanilla. It just smells like wax to me. I don't really get a scent from it. It's just like a waxy scent. So for sure, here, you know what? Let me just, let's see. That seemed to release a little more of the oils, but yeah, there we go. Okay, it can't hurt to try it out. It's here. I'll for sure give it a try. Let's see how that does on my skin. And then I think this is last but not least, I think, let me double check and see if I've gone over everything. I have. All right. This is Manda, M-A-N-D-A, made with Thanaka organic sun paste. $18 value. An ideal sun care solution for the active person in the world's harshest conditions. This sun paste is formulated for outdoor lovers by surfers, climbers, hikers, and athletes to stay on longer and protect against wind, water, and sweat. Using only the highest quality food-grade, all-natural organic ingredients, it contains no harmful chemical source synthetics and is non-toxic, kid-friendly, and reef-safe. So what do you do with it? Before sun exposure, apply directly to skin, leaving a thick, visible tint. So this must be like the old white stuff you used to put on your nose. Maybe it just protects you from no scent. Beeswax and coconut oils solidify at colder temperatures. If your paste is feeling a little firm, dig in there and work it a little. The warmth will get it going. Interesting. So like if you're in really windy environments or harsh environments, I would imagine you could maybe put this on your lips, your nose, you know, all those spots that get like really raw from not so great climates to be in. I can see using this on a really windy day when I'm out for a run. I can really see that being something I would use. So I'm happy to have this. This box doesn't really have a scent, just smells like wax. This box was excellent. This was an excellent, excellent box. Maybe I'll rethink my decision. Maybe I'll keep this one too. I gotta say, I think I'm gonna use, I mean, I'm not the koozie, whatever, it's cute. That just is like an add-in. Other than really this, I think I'm gonna use everything in this box. How wonderful. It is so nice when you get a box that really, really is suitable to you. And this may not be suitable to everyone. You may not have the same likes and things that I like, or the use. You may not have the use for these things like I do. So, you know, with any subscription box, it's, you know, it's a gamble. So anyway, it's a little sticky. I'm not sure I like that. I'm gonna have to see about that. I don't want to, you know, feel that sticky. Nobody wants to feel that. And I don't want it to get on my clothing. So I'll have to see about that. So I don't know, but like I said, it's certainly worth a try. Whoops. There you go. Amazing. I don't think we have a total on this box. Is there a list of how much everything is in here, the value? I think they were pretty fair with their pricing and value of everything. I really, really do. I didn't see anything in here that felt overstated by too much or, you know, significantly. And I'm impressed with that. I appreciate that. Seriously. I don't know anything about waxing and anything about this. This said $75. I'm not sure about that. But again, I know nothing about it. So I don't wax, so I wouldn't know. Those of you who do may go, hey, I would give you $100 for that if it works, you know, that kind of thing. So there you go. All right. Well, that's it. I'm super happy, super pleased with this box, and I'm now contemplating my decision to cancel it. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, a wonderful week, and whatever is ahead of you, I hope it makes you happy. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.